This is the SteelSeries QcK Edge. It's the extra large version, so it covers your entire desk. In this video, I'm going to get it unboxed, review it, and let you know my thoughts. So the mouse mat itself is 900 by 300 millimeters. That means it's pretty much the entire width of my little desk here. And this is it compared to the regular SteelSeries QcK. So it's taller and obviously a lot wider. The material itself is very similar. In fact, it's the same. The edges, though, on this one, as it's the Edge edition, are stitched so that there won't be any fraying or anything like that. Not that I've noticed fraying on my regular edition QcK. As with all the SteelSeries mouse mats, the base is a kind of rubbery material, so it won't move around on your desk, and it does a really good job of that. There's no moving around, and when I tried out the Prism previously, that moves around quite a lot, whereas this one, solid as a rock. As I said before, the material is exactly the same as the regular QcK mouse mat. Really smooth. This is really nice on this mouse. The extended area is really handy. If you found yourself with a normal mouse mat coming off the edge or getting lost on the mouse mat, you're going to never have that problem here. And of course, you've got plenty of room for your keyboard too. So I'm testing this out with the Logitech G403 gaming mouse you might have seen reviewed on this channel before. It's got the kind of Teflon-y plastic bottom on it. It's a laser mouse. But this is really smooth. There's no drag. It's really nice to use. Hopefully it's going to remain really accurate. The cloth itself is machine washable. I've put the old version, the QcK, in the washer before, and it's come out absolutely brand new. And as always, you've got the SteelSeries logo in the bottom corner. That's printed on, so I'm not sure how hard wearing that'll be, but we'll see. Time will be the tester. So there we have it, guys. The SteelSeries QcK Edge Extra Large Mouse Mat. It covers the whole width of your gaming station, keyboard and mouse, and I think you'll agree it looks really smart on the desk. Check out the links below for where you can buy this. It's usually available for around £15 to £20 on Amazon. Make sure to keep an eye out for the deals on that. Please hit subscribe down below to be notified of my latest videos. I make new videos every week, gaming peripherals, computer peripherals, household appliances, that kind of thing. This has been the SteelSeries QcK Edge Mouse Mat. Thank you for watching.